Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create community group in WhatsApp business. So how can you fix that? So first of all, open the WhatsApp business inside your mobile phone. Like the process is not there's no difference if you have Android or iPhone. So once you see this interface, if I click on the plus button, so you can see that I am not able to see the communities option inside here. So if I go to the settings, and inside the settings I can see this option called communities. So just click on communities, and now as you can see, like I am not able to see the option called like create community or like there's another option join community, anything like that. So that is because WhatsApp is like did not allow WhatsApp business to create the communities right now. As you can see, like I'm in their help article, and if I click on how to create a community, so now as you can see, like this is the note written right here clear, like you can't currently create a community on the WhatsApp business app. Like this feature is not added into the WhatsApp business right now by the WhatsApp officials, or you can say by Meta. So if we want to create the community, the process is pretty simple. You just click on the plus button, new community, and get started inside the simple WhatsApp. But if we talk about the WhatsApp business, we can't see this option because that is not added into the WhatsApp right now by the Meta. So that is all about why we can't like create the community, or how we can create community inside the simple WhatsApp. So that is all about it.